Story 3, A Funny Noise. It was book week at school, and all the boys and girls wore costumes. There was Captain Hook, Robin Hood, and a big yellow bird. The children were enjoying their day, pretending to be characters from their favorite storybooks. The children thought their day was spoiled by having to work. The teacher told them to sit quietly and open their books. Suddenly, there was a funny noise. Oink, 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 it went. The children giggled. The teacher was annoyed. Who made that noise? Was it one of you boys? She said, pointing to the door. Leave the room. But when the boys opened the door, three little pigs burst in. They quickly destroyed the room. The teacher fainted. The children chased the pigs. Noddy from Toyland grabbed one. Snow White grabbed another. Helen of Troy grabbed the third. Oink, 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 screeched the three little pigs. The children thought the pigs were boys dressed up. But they were real pigs, and their owner came to school to find them. He gave the children some coins for a reward. Then they enjoyed the rest of their day because their teacher had to go home to have a rest and a cup of tea.